I'm about to bring y'all an everyday kinda slay. Alright, to start this thing off, I'm coming with a fresh face, just washed. I'm gonna tease my eyebrows, clean up my canvas a little bit. And I'm gonna come through with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade dark brown. I'm gonna take some random eyebrow brush. I think this might be from Essence, the brand Essence. They're sold at CVS or whatever. But I'm gonna underline the bottom of my brow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit that top. Not making it too much bigger than my natural brow, but really just to fill in what is there. You feel me? And then I'm gonna go through with the back side of that brush, which is the spoolie, and I am going to blend. Like, cause we don't want no harsh lines when it comes to the eyebrows, unless it's at the tail of the brow. You feel me? Then I'm gonna go through with my I Am Magic Concealer by Juvias Place, and I clean up the bottom of my brow, and then at the top I'm using the foundation. Y'all, I used to be on my game when it came to brows. I am just like mad rusty because I haven't done makeup in I want to say around 2 years. Like, I used to do my brows every day, but I slacked off, and now look at me. But that's okay, because we're gonna come back. I will be the brow queen again. It'll happen. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. It's in the shade Brunette, because I usually use it at the top of my brow. The top of the brow is usually a little lighter than the tail. And then I go through and I set it with this Cake Powder by NYX, using the lighter color at the top and the darker color at the back. And then I am going to start on my face with some e.l.f. primer putty. I really like this product. I like e.l.f. just in general, you feel me, because they cheap and they actually have some really good products. I like this, and I like their booster drops or whatever. And then I'm gonna go with the I Am Juvias Place Magic Foundation in the shade 350 Somalia. This is a real... Why the hell did I make that face? This is some foundation I got. Y'all, COVID, you can't test the shades. So we went up in there and I found one of them ladies and I made them help me at Ulta. And look, this is as close as we got. It comes off kind of orangish, but it's like, I don't want to say she matched me wrong, because my color has changed. Like, you see my neck, it gets darker when I'm pregnant. I have some discoloration, like hyperpigmentation or whatever, but it'll all go back to normal after I have my baby. I'm taking the Real Technique sponge and I'm just blending, because blending is key. I'm gonna come through with this e.l.f. Camo concealer, and I wet the brush with the NYX spray. Then I take the concealer. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 13, and I hit my highlight zones. I regret putting so much on my chin, because I do have a larger chin, and like, when it comes to the end of my makeup, you'll see like I kind of made that a highlight point when should have cut it down a little bit, babes. But it's whatever. Just gonna blend. Alright, I know I got a lot of sniffling going on. It started with Maya and I ended up catching it too, I guess. So yeah. I'm gonna come through with the cream contour palette by e.l.f. I'm using the 2 bottom shades. When it comes to contouring, I don't go crazy. I just go for like the natural cut, because I still want to look like myself with makeup on. I don't want to look like I don't want to be snatched to the gods. I just want a little definition in my cheeks and to cut that chin down or whatever. So yeah, but I'm gonna go through it and I'm just blending it with the e.l.f. Camo concealer sponge. Now I'm coming through with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using my Real Technique sponge, and I don't bake. Like, I put it on and then I take it off, because when I bake I tend to get ashy and I don't want that. This is the Juvias Place Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1. Look, I got this from Dollface Lyric. She used it as her, like, to set her contour or whatever, and yeah, I like it. I fuck with it. This is some Morphe brush. I don't remember which one, but it's just a little fluffy brush, and I'm using it just to get my little nose. Now I'm gonna use some of her blush and put it up on there. Nothing too harsh. Come through with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And now we're about to move on to these lips. We're using a lip scrub. Exfoliate so your lips don't be looking all crusty when you got the matte lipstick on. Yeah, that's the brush I would have used for contour, but Maya had it and I didn't know. Now to line these lips, I'm using the NYX matte lip liner in Downtown Beauty, because I don't know, I feel like it's the perfect shade. And then I use this is by Essence. It's like a nude-ish color. I really like their lip glosses and lipsticks and lippies and stuff. They're really cool brand. Then I'm gonna come through with some mascara, coat these lashes. Y'all, this, I have no clue what this is called because I always lose it, but every girl that goes to the beauty supply store knows that lip gloss is the best. But this is some NYX matte eyeliner. Y'all, I ain't got no tips or tricks for the eyeliner because, like I said, I'm super rusty. One of my wings was higher than the other, and I don't know, it was kind of crazy. I was glad I was wearing a bang because, bitch, that was a mess. But here's these lashes I got from AliExpress. I'm using some, girl, I just went too fast. I'm using some eyelash glue from the beauty supply store, and then this is some highlighter from Juvia's Place. This isn't my usual highlight brush. I don't know. Look, Maya be getting into my stuff sometimes, like when I'm trying to distract her while I'm trying to do my hair or whatever. And sometimes I give her brushes that I shouldn't, and I just never see them again. So, yeah, maybe it'll pop up, but who knows. Alright, now I'm about to throw on these lashes. Had to make sure my glue was dry. But, I think maybe I'll do a haul showing y'all some of the lashes that I get from AliExpress, like, cause low-key they be the same ones these girls be selling on the boutiques or whatever. So let me go ahead and put y'all on game for the one time. Shipping do take like a month, but it's worth it for the prices, cause you paying $3 for some lashes that somebody else gonna charge you like $18-$20 for. So pew. So I didn't like how the lipstick turned out, so I took it off, and now I'm going back through with the NYX in Downtown Beauty again, and then I'm gonna top it off with the Essence lipstick. Y'all go follow me on my social media, Instagram kk.forever_, and my Snapchat is always kkx. Alright, so at this point we pretty much done with the look. I told y'all I didn't do nothing too crazy. I'm rusty on my makeup, so this would be pretty much it. I'm just gonna come through with some random face powder that matches my complexion and just go through around my chin and my neck. Like, I do drag the makeup down my neck because I told y'all before, hyperpigmentation, and plus I just think you should do that anyways because I hate to see a girl with a mask on. But yeah, this is the finished look. Thanks.